ongoing budget session of the Odisha Legislative Assembly was disrupted by opposition BJD and Congress members, who created a ruckus over farmers' issue, leading to a deadlock. The assembly proceedings were adjourned until 12 p.m. due to the commotion. When the House convened at 10:30 a.m., both BJD and Congress members rushed to the well, raising slogans against the BJP government and attempting to disrupt the session. Their protest focused on the hardship faced by farmers, particularly issues related to paddy procurement and the mandi system. Despite repeated appeals from Speaker Surama Pathi, the opposition MLAs continued their protests. Unable to proceed, the Speaker adjourned the House until 12 p.m. When question hours resumed, Deputy Chief Minister Prabhati Parida attempted to respond to a query. But opposition members again rushed to the well, halting the proceedings after just a minute. BJD MLAs also reached the Raj Bhavan to submit a memorandum to the governor regarding the farmers' plight.
When the assembly convened, the budget session convened, we from Biju Janata Dal, through our Chief Whip, Madam Srimati Pramila Malik ji, we moved a motion for discussion, 2-hour discussion on the problems being faced by the farmer community as such. May it be seeds, may it be fertilizer, may it be paddy procurement, and worst is farmer suicide and unseasonal rain the last week of December, which actually destroyed a lot of crop throughout the state. People were not compensated. So, owing to that, many farmers also committed suicide. Government is silent on that, doesn't want to discuss on that. So, we protested yesterday in the House, we stalled the House. Today morning also we stalled the House and brought this problem to the notice of the Governor, and through Governor we have requested His Excellency the Governor of Odisha to impress upon the state government to look into the problems of 60% of the population of the state who are dependent on agriculture and allied activities of agriculture. They have been severely handicapped. Government is still searching and groping in the dark. They are not sure about their policy. They are not sure about the procurement policy. Targets are not being met. There are administrative lapses at the grassroots level. People are facing a lot of problems. So this is what we appraise the Honorable Governor. Yes, we had demanded. The Speaker didn't allow, so we had to stall the House. What is the next? BJP says that come for a discussion through adjournment motion. Adjournment motion, ruling party and opposition put together is only 55 minutes. What's the point? 55 minutes we can't discuss the entire problem of the farming community. It's the duty of the government. The government on its own should bring a white paper and should come out with a motion for discussion. It's the opposition who is responsible for taking up the issues of the public with the government. And farmer community being the major community in the state, we have taken up that issue first. What is the next? Definitely we will protest, and we have already told, and this will come to the discussion in the House.